Hey, hey, my lovely friends. Let's go gallivanting. We're going to Home Depot in Clayton, Georgia. I got a lot of DIYs to do for you guys, and I need some tools. Our scripture for this video is John 6:47. Verily, verily, I say unto you, he that believeth on me hath everlasting life. Let's get into it, guys.
It has a lifetime warranty agreement.
Oh, that's probably what's $100 more. If it's gonna get bad, it's gonna do it within a year or so, right?
Well,
Did I pass? Where
I've
is it?
actually had good luck out of these Ryobis. They've been pretty tough for the dollar. You know, like I said, they're having to compete with these other brands, and they're pretty much all the same.
So this is, so far, this is the one here. Okay. Let me go. So this one has no skill saw. Does it have a jig? What all is in there? What all is in there? The multi-tool is $80.
In the set, you have this drill, this impact drill, this saw. You have
It's that multi-tool, right?
You have, it's actually this multi-tool right here, and this Sawzall.
The Sawzall is $150.
And you have this little work light that comes with it.
Oh, does it come with a light?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So it doesn't come with two drills.
It does. It comes 7 1/4 blade is the 7 1/4 blade you can find $5 or $6, and the 7 1/4 blade is very common, and there's a large variety of them. But if you get one of those saws that uses the small little blades, then you're going to pay for the small little blades, and they're also sometimes difficult to find.
Okay, got your point.
Not to mention, you're limiting yourself on what you can actually cut by using the small blade, because you can't cut, if you can cut something small with a big blade, but you can't cut something big with a small blade.
Small, big, small. Why do they get those weird shapes to them?
Because look, they're for different
jobs. Oh, okay.
They're for cutting cement board.
Circle and jigsaw guide. Not today. This week. Yeah, I've got to get busy on all my garden stuff this week. What is 447 and 447? This actually, if you got two of those, it might end up being 10 cents cheaper. And it
That's why I was asking, but
okay.
Probably that little 30-piece DeWalt is probably the most popular set I have.
Home Depot protection plan.
No. We'll probably regret it, but no.
Okay.
$45 counts today.
Right?
Yeah, this has all us too. Which you didn't have to do that. We could have, put you to work. Well, you like you're already not working.
Right? They got me running all of these things, you know, so it's all good. This allows me to stop for a minute and be in one spot. Alrighty.
Is that everything?
I believe so.
Is it going to be cash or card?
You got them in different pockets? All your cash pockets? It's like,
No, I have large bills,
He's
small
precise
bills,
about where he keeps
small,
it.
small bills, and then the change.
that's how everybody does it.
No, it's not.
No, everybody usually puts it all in one pocket. All bills are in one pocket. All changes in one
How much do I need now?
You need 96 cents and $33.
I just put 420 in there. I just put 420.
It's $4.53 with tax.
I see. Okay.
I was wondering what you were doing.
Guess I wasn't paying attention.
Before tax, it was $420.33
Okay.
subtotal, and then taxes was $33 more. And so,
I guess I wasn't paying enough attention.
Would you like an e-receipt? Please take your change. Would you like an e-receipt?
Happened here. I don't know. I messed the zipper thing up.
Okay, well.
That's not for you. Give me my box back.